previously on Dakota Busy. Alright, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change out a blade on a DWS 12-inch miter saw. The model on this one is a DWS780 sliding compound miter saw. So we're going to change out the blade. This blade has seen better days. Time for a new one. Tools that you're going to need. You're going to need a T30 torque driver and a 1/2 inch wrench. First step, unplug the miter saw. I don't know how many times I've seen my brother lose fingers because he doesn't unplug it. So just unplug it. Keep all 10 digits if you have them. If you don't have them, just keep the ones you have. Step 2, using your T30 torque driver. There are 2 bolts that you're going to need to move. Those 2 bolts can be found, one's here and the other one is here. All you have to do is loosen this one to where it just is going to allow this thing to slide, and then you will loosen this one far enough to where this metal piece will slide out so we can have access to that nut, that bolt. See how that slides? Now we have access to that bolt. So you just leave it like that. Then you will grab your 1/2 inch wrench. And there is a pin on the back side. I will show you that. Alright, this is the pin that you will need to push on the other side. So once you move the blade, there, now the pin pushes in further. So just move the blade till it stops, and now it's locked. With that locked, you keep that pushed in, and then you take your 1/2 inch wrench on that bolt on the other side and you loosen it. Now when you loosen this up with the 1/2 inch wrench, it's not going to be righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's the opposite. But on there, it'll show you. See that it says loosen, and then the arrow is going that way. So just follow that, and then you'll be able to tighten or loosen it if you forget. Alright, I'm going to push the pin in to lock the blade. Okay, there it is. Loosen it this way. There's the bolt. There's this, just to push the pressure onto the blade. Now the blade should be able to just slide out. Now on the blade, this is a 1-inch arbor blade. This piece needs to come out, so you don't think you bought the wrong blade. Just pop that out. This will go into the next blade. Alright, here's my other blade. Yes, it's a Bosch, it's not a DeWalt. I do have a DeWalt, but I'm just going to use this one for now. So, you put the spacer back in. Now if you forget which way the blade's got to go, up on the top here, there's an arrow. That's the direction that the blade is going to be going. So on your blade, most of them are going to have something telling you. So here's the arrow for this one. So I just make sure that this arrow and this arrow are matching. So as long as it's spinning the correct direction. And this does have it's notched, so there's only one way that's going to go on. You can see how it has to line up. I'm going to push the pin in to lock the blade again. And then I'm going to be tightening. The tightening is this way. Okay, now I can go back and tighten those two bolts with my T30 torque. And then make sure that metal piece gets slid down, all the way down. And that is all there is to changing out the blade on this DeWalt miter saw. Again, this is a DWS780 model. Thanks for watching, guys.